So this is pretty exciting. We're in Boca Raton, Florida, and this beautiful yellow train and blue pulling away right now is the Brightline. That's a South Florida intercity rail. Well, now it goes almost half the state. It goes all the way up to Orlando. That is half the state. And they're talking about putting one of these in Las Vegas. And in the United States, the Brightline is the only privately owned rail and one that travels 130 miles per hour in some sections. What a beautiful train. You can see there it says powered by clean biodiesel. That's the station behind it. That's only a year old, not even really.